Hello, Barça fans. This is the Camp Nou update every supporter has been waiting for, and these latest developments are impossible to ignore. Major construction milestones are being achieved across Camp Nou, revealing the incredible progress behind this historic renovation. In today's update, we'll explore the latest progress, from the new pitch taking shape and the developing VIP areas, to the stunning facade transformation of Camp Nou. But one final challenge remains, and it could determine when fans finally return to the fully completed Camp Nou. The news that every Barcelona fan needs to hear clearly and completely, because it represents one of the most significant and most consequential decisions that the club has made regarding the Camp Nou renovation timeline. FC Barcelona has formally asked La Liga for permission to play the entire first half of the 2027-2028 season away from the Spotify Camp Nou. The club has requested that it be allowed to use the Estadi Olímpic Luis companies for those matches, a return to the temporary home that Barça fans are already familiar with from the renovation period that preceded the partial reopening of the camp. Now, the reason for this request is the roof installation. The massive and extraordinarily complex operation of installing the new Camp Nou roof is scheduled to take place between June and October 2027. A 4-month window during which the stadium will need to be vacated entirely to allow the roof installation teams the space, the access, and the uninterrupted working conditions that an engineering project of this scale and this complexity absolutely demands. You cannot install a roof of this magnitude over an occupied stadium. The whole ground needs to be clear. Now, here is the really important detail that distinguishes this decision from a simple operational necessity. It is also a deliberate act of caution from the club. The roof installation is estimated to take approximately 4 months, June to October. That window, if everything goes exactly to plan, could allow the stadium to reopen for the second half of the 2027-2028 season. But Barcelona is not willing to risk that second half reopening being disrupted by delays that push the roof completion beyond October. Rather than planning for an October return and risking delays, Barcelona has made the proactive decision to spend the entire first half of the season at the Olympic Stadium. This will give the roof installation teams enough time to complete the work properly and ensure that the new Camp Nou can reopen for the second half of the 2027-28 season, with the completed roof and the renovation fully finished. I know this decision may be difficult for some fans to accept, as returning to the Olympic Stadium, even temporarily, is not what anyone wanted. However, this is not a setback or a sign that the project is falling behind. Instead, it shows Barcelona's commitment to delivering the best possible result, choosing a complete and permanent final product over a rushed return. It is a responsible decision that reflects the ambition behind creating one of the greatest stadiums in football history. The roof is worth waiting for. The completed camp now is worth the first half of one season at the Olympic. And when the doors of the fully finished, fully roofed, fully magnificent new Camp Nou open for the second half of the 2027-2028 season, every moment of that temporary sacrifice is going to be vindicated completely and permanently. Another major milestone in the Camp Nou transformation has been reached, with the new pitch entering its final stage of completion. Captured just a few days ago, these images reveal that the new pitch is now fully installed, with the final stitching work currently being carried out to complete the playing surface. This progress gives us another clear view of how the stadium is gradually coming together as the finished pitch brings a completely new appearance to the heart of Camp Nou. With this stage nearing completion, another key element of the renovation is moving closer to its final form. A new scaffold structure supporting the floodlights has been installed at the upper section of the third tier. The lighting equipment was previously positioned higher around the second tier, where it affected some seating locations. The new support arrangement is now visible at the top of the third tier as the stadium continues to develop its final infrastructure. This new position changes the arrangement of the lighting equipment compared with the previous setup. The support structure is now clearly integrated into the upper part of the third-tier construction area. Work continues on the first VIP ring as crews are now applying cement render to the interior block walls. The difference between the finished and unfinished surfaces is already clearly visible, giving the area a much cleaner and more refined appearance. While this is not expected to be the final decorative finish, it marks another important step toward completing the hospitality spaces. Meanwhile, the exterior glazing and terrace access areas remain in place, while the second VIP ring is now almost completely enclosed, awaiting the installation of its decorative ceramic facade. The new stadium design is introducing a series of impressive diamond-shaped structures that are becoming one of the defining architectural features surrounding the venue. One of these large pentagonal sections has now reached an important stage of construction. The concrete work has already started, marking another major step forward in the completion of this unique structure. These diamond structures are not simply decorative additions. They are an essential part of the stadium's identity, creating a futuristic appearance while adding a distinctive character to the entire venue. Another visually striking feature of the new Camp Nou design is the unique effect created by the decorative exterior panels. Depending on the viewing angle, these panels create a fascinating color transformation. From one position, they appear in a soft beige tone, while from another angle, they reveal the famous Blaugrana colors inspired by FC Barcelona. This carefully designed effect will allow the stadium's exterior to constantly change its appearance as spectators move around different viewpoints. Once the complete installation is finished, this exterior design will create a spectacular visual experience, making the new Camp Nou one of the most distinctive stadiums in the world. Another impressive moment in the renovation process is the arrival of a huge construction component at the stadium. This XXL-sized box immediately stands out because of its enormous dimensions. Transported under special conditions with police escort, it is carefully brought to the stadium before being moved into its final position. Standing close to it, the true scale becomes clear, showing the complexity and magnitude of the work continuing at Camp Nou. From the tribune viewpoint, we can see the ongoing work in the main access area leading to the VIP rooms. New paving stones are being installed, old railings are being removed, and new railings are already in place. Work is also continuing on the staircase steps, with workers completing the remaining finishing details. The area is gradually taking its final shape as the last elements of this important VIP access zone are being completed. A major discovery during the construction process has created excitement among supporters. Several large boxes have appeared inside the stadium, and many fans believe they could be related to the new LED scoreboard systems. The final technology setup has not been officially confirmed yet, but these installations suggest that Camp Nou will include some of the most advanced stadium features in modern football. The South Goal area brings another important construction update, with sandwich panels now being installed on the exterior side of the mobility core. A lifting platform and crane are being used to place these panels, and significant progress is already visible. 8 sandwich panels have been installed on the lower section, while the first panel has now been added to the upper part of the structure. The interior side of this area was completed earlier, and the exterior installation is now moving forward. Only some corner finishing pieces remain pending, while additional preparation work, including painting and final fixing of the panels, continues to achieve a complete and uniform finish. Camp Nou's transformation is closer to its final chapter, with every step bringing Barcelona's new home closer to reality. The final challenge remains ahead, but one thing is certain: the wait for the completed Camp Nou will define one of the most ambitious stadium projects in football history. What do you think? Will the new Camp Nou become everything Barça fans have been waiting for?